What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the key remote battery in your 2023 Toyota Tundra. It's very simple. The first step we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key. To do that, all we have to do is press this button downward and the key will come right out. Now that we have the key removed, we're going to need to split the remote. So I'm going to turn it upside down and hold it I'm going to turn it upside down like this and hold it very carefully. And there is this slot right here that I'm going to use a little flathead screwdriver, stick it in and pry the case apart, okay? Now I like to hold these upside down like this, or with the top facing down, so the buttons don't come out of this, because once you open these up, they like to get all loose. Now if we look, this battery is a CR2450. I'll leave a link in the description box if you need to get a new battery. It'll take you right to Amazon. It'll be nice, quick, and easy, and they're nice and cheap there. To get the battery out, we just need to pry it out. You can do it with your finger, or you can do it with that flathead screwdriver. But just note that the positive sign is facing up when you go to put back the new one, okay? When you go to put this new one in, all you do is just slide it in and push it down in there. To finish it up, we're just gonna take the back cover and just snap it all back together. Easy peasy. Put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.